Evaluate the following expression. So, first of all, we follow the BODMAS rule, where we first carry out multiplication and then addition. So, minus 5 into minus 11 plus minus 9 gives us first minus 5 into minus 11. The product of two negative numbers is a positive number, so 55 plus minus 9, which is equal to 55 minus 9, which is 46. Now moving on to the next question. Evaluate the following expression. Once again, we apply the BODMAS rule, and since this expression is surrounded by brackets, it needs to be evaluated first. After that, we can evaluate the entire expression. So this is equal to minus 2 into minus 11 plus minus 17 equal to minus 2 into minus 11 minus 17, which is equal to minus 2 into minus 28. Now multiplying two negative numbers gives us the positive product of the two numbers, which is 56. Now let's evaluate another expression, which is this one. So once again, we use the BODMAS rule, and since multiplication takes precedence over addition, we need to evaluate both these expressions before adding their values. So we can write this as minus 21 into 13 plus minus 21 into 7. Now, since minus 21 is common in both of these expressions, and since multiplication is distributive over addition, we can take the minus 21 out common and multiply it by the sum of 13 and 7. So we get minus 21 into 13 plus 7, which is 20. So this entire expression evaluates to minus 420. Now moving on to the next question. Let's try to evaluate this expression. So once again, we apply the BODMAS rule. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, brackets have the highest precedence, so this expression needs to be evaluated first, and then the result should be divided by 16. So 27 plus 2 into 23 plus minus 9. Now, as multiplication has a higher precedence than addition and subtraction, we need to evaluate 2 into 23 first. This is equal to 27 plus 46, and plus minus 9 can be simplified to minus 9. Now we can proceed from left to right, since addition and subtraction have the same precedence. So this is 73 minus 9, which is equal to 64. Now the result of this expression, which is 64, needs to be divided by 16 to give us the value of this entire expression. So 64 divided by 16 gives us 4. So the value of the entire expression is 4.